Welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss how to add hours, minutes, seconds and days into the date and time. I am going to add 8 hours in this time and date. For this, select the cell C2 and type the formula equals to, select the date and time. In my case I have date and time in cell B2 plus 8 and divide by 24 because there are 24 hours in a day. Type enter. Now as you can see, time will be updated from 12 am to 8 am. Now I am going to add 30 minutes in this date and time. For this, type the formula in the D2 equals to, select the date and time in cell B2 plus, now type 30 and divide this by 1440 because there are 1440 minutes in a day, and press enter. So this is the result. Now I'm going to add 10 seconds in this date and time. So for this, select the cell and press equals to, now select date and time plus 10 and divide this by 86,400. If you want to add days to this date and time, just type the number of days that you want to add. Like here I want to add 2 days in this date and time. For this, press equals to, select the date and time plus 2 and press enter. Now as you can see, after adding 2 days, the date and time have been changed from 1 Feb 2023 12 am to 3 Feb 2023 12 am. So this is the easy way to add hours, minutes, seconds and days in your timestamp. I hope this video will going to be helpful for you. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel.